I got an ITF frame. And I got premium pedals. They spin. Fly cranks. Tough. I got I got a fit seat. Nice. Let's see, we got on this side. We got a cool chain. Premium sprocket. Why did I say premium? Primo. We got another pedal over here. We got that Primo Annihilator stem. Nobody has that. We got this cap. Nice. We got Slam XLT bars. Wink, wink. Nice. ODI's long neck grips. I got these fit chip forks. Yeah. We got Primos, like the profiles. White spokes. RCP light tire. I got same wheel set up in the back and Max DTH tire. Yes, son!